Do you know how to use a custom list inside Microsoft Excel? Let me show you an advanced example. Let's assume that you're maintaining human resource data and we have the full names of the staff, the date they joined, the year that they joined, and also the rank that they have if this was in military or the army. And the question here is, can you sort up this list so that you can follow this ranking order? For this example, ideally, they have given us the sort order that they'd like us to use. Now, the question is, how do we implement this custom sort inside Microsoft Excel? Let me show you how to do this. The first thing that you'll do is to come over File menu, navigate over to More until you go to Options. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. What you need to do here is to click on Advanced tab, and from here you can scroll down until you see Edit Custom Lists. Keep scrolling until you see Edit Custom Lists. Let's scroll, and the Edit Custom Lists is right here. So I actually click in this option here. This will open the Custom Lists option. So what I need to do here is to import our ranking or the sorting order that has been given to us, bring it inside the custom list, and then later use it to apply the sorting. Let's do that and see what happens. So what I will do, I'll click in this cell and highlight this entire list that I have here. So what I need to do here is to say OK, and there you go. I will again come in here and say OK once again. And now we have our custom lists inserted. What we can do is to come over to this column, right mouse click, go to sort, navigate over until you see custom sort. This will still open the sort dialog box, and inside our sort order here, let us click in the drop down and go to the custom list. Okay, and when this custom list dialog box opens once again, now that we have our custom sort order of the sort order or the rankings that were given to us, we can now tap here and immediately say OK, and there you go. You can see our list is now sorted based on the ranking order that they gave us. We can see the generals are on top, lieutenant generals are coming in next, major generals are coming in next, and so on and so forth. So that's one of the advanced use of custom lists inside Microsoft Excel. If you found value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also leave any comment. See you in the next video.